I love it! The Yaksta and the Scallywags!
You know what it is? Scallywags, I didn't think it was a good thing. The word scallywags.
Is that some childish thing?
Yeah. So look at scallywag.
It's cute.
But they're bad. They're bad. All right.
So more and more folks are getting hip to the health train. But for those of you who would like to hop on, but you don't have a clue where to start, Plantry is right up your alley. Plant-based pioneer Danielle Terrelonge is here to point you in the right direction. I know you wish you had the finger, right?
Back to our roots.
The right direction. Good morning, Danielle.
Good morning.
So, first and foremost, when did you start this journey?
This journey for me started 2011. I went hardcore vegan, and I was for a couple of years. And I stuck with it, and I had a lot of health issues like IBS, hypertension, things a young lady my age should not have had. But I wanted to take a more holistic approach to my health. That's really what it was about. And honestly, it was a friend gifted me a book called Eating According to Your Blood Type, and it just opened my eyes in that you can literally rewrite your DNA and just correct all the ailments just with foods.
Let your food be a medicine.
I'm usually always lost for words when it comes to food. But this morning, I want to understand what we have in front of us, because it looks like a full course meal. Appetizer, main course, dessert, milk, breakfast.
All right, so basically, a lot of people don't know how to start with like plant-based because they think it's hard or it's going to be too expensive. So this is just like a day in the life. Like if you were to eat plant-based for the entire day,
this is
what are you going to eat?
Like. Okay.
Yeah, so we have breakfast here, and anyone can sample that if they'd like.
Yes, of course.
Wait, it's missing something.
Oh, you said if we'd like?
Shouldn't know.
So this is a berry compote. It's basically strawberries, blueberries, cranberries, reduced in a little white rum.
Oh, okay.
Very nice.
Just a tiny bit. And this is a flax seed pudding. A lot of people are going crazy about chia seeds right now. Flax seeds actually cost less, and they're local in Jamaica, so it's not that hard to get them. And they're inexpensive, and they're loaded with vitamins and nutrients. Oh, and the Plantry, we like to use things that are in season. So we've got otaiti apple and some cinnamon. So you're gonna fold that in. Mix it in.
Otaiti, I like to eat it.
Yeah, that's Dwayne's favorite.
And you know what? We're gonna top you up with just a little of this cashew milk to make this a little creamier.
Lord. All right, you do the breakfast.
And then try it. Would you like some bananas?
So y'all go get.
You know this is like loaded, right?
So this is breakfast.
This is what breakfast would look like, and this is probably about 400 calories. About 18 grams of protein.
Ooh,
this is
nice.
gonna hold you over for a really, really, really long time. I think if you have this at 8 a.m., you don't need to eat till probably 11:30, 12.
No, man.
But try it. Take a bite.
And you will have that. Okay, so that's breakfast. What would be next on the menu?
Next on the menu would be lunch. And I think for lunch, we could do like a stacked burger.
Okay.
So this is just a regular burger bun. The patty is mushrooms, cauliflower, caramelized onions, garlic, little tahini, paprika, dry rub because you know we love jerk seasoning.
Yes.
And we like to spice it up. So you put that on. I'm going to use my Plantry cheese sauce, which is...
What is that made
Oh
of?
my God. Wait, just give me your finger.
You have to tell me.
I'll tell you.
Nothing
So
there?
it's cashews only, pumpkin, paprika, celery salt, garlic, onions. Yeah. So you put that on, and then you put, whatever you want. Listen, trust me, callaloo with sesame seeds is like slept on. It has so many good nutrients. Yeah, people just sleep on it.
You mean?
Caramelized onions because we like sweet things.
I'm planting.
I'm telling you, it's so good.
Oh my goodness.
And we are generous over here. So we're gonna put a little bit more. Would you like a piece of lettuce or tomato?
Sure, anyone. Put on anything.
Daniel, you had mentioned people think that plant-based diets are expensive.
Talk to us about the cost.
So realistically, I go to Coronation Market. I know some people don't. They like Lashushan. Nothing against that. I go downtown and I get groceries for the entire week for about 3,000-4,000 Jamaican dollars.
Really?
And it's just fruits and vegetables. And what you do is you go Saturday morning before they start selling. they haven't priced anything yet, and you just tell them what you want to
You just
pay.
tell everybody, so no, everybody will go down there.
Them
Daniela can't
lazy,
tell
them not gonna
everybody.
wake up.
If you tell Daniela, them something you're supposed to tell you off the air, a joke.
They're not gonna wake up, trust me.
And then you really can manage to get through the entire week on $4,000 worth of groceries.
You realistically can, because when you go to the market, you're not just getting fresh produce, you're getting lentils and the chickpeas and all these things, and it's so affordable.
Yeah.
And when you get these things, they're staple now in your kitchen. You soak them overnight, you make burger patties with them, you make lasagna with them. I mean, it's just the possibilities are endless.
And what's this, just potato?
Just potato wedges, that's all. We rub them in a little oil, and I just put them in the air fryer with some paprika. It's a massive burger, so I don't know who's gonna try.
Do I have to bite it? I will cut it up afterwards.
So, I mean, I don't really like the bread thing, you know, but just because this man, I'm gonna try it.
Go on.
You ready?
Go on, bite. Okay, got it.
Not bad, right?
You can't talk. Here, hold this. Your mouth full of... I don't know what's going on there. But okay, so we've got breakfast, we've got lunch.
We have lunch.
And
dinner. This is one of my favorite things to eat. It's a vegan mac and cheese, plant-based mac and cheese. It basically is the cheese sauce that we used on the burger. And all we're gonna add into this is, now this looks a little sketch, but it's not. It's mushrooms. And I've already caramelized them and sauteed them.
And mushrooms are like vegan meat.
They are. They really are.
Yep.
And
Go on, eat.
Yeah, you know what I found out? I'm allergic to mushrooms.
What?
so you can try this.
Found out this last week.
Oh, what kind of allergy?
Like,
Like,
nose run.
Jojo?
Yeah. I'm gonna try something new.
mercy.
But you won't die.
I didn't.
You didn't, but you'll get problems.
So this is what the dinner would look like. It's very simple to make. You just boil the pasta al dente. You boil it 10-12 minutes. It's done. Your cheese sauce is already in the fridge because you're really only making it once a week. You just put a dollop on and you top it with whatever. It doesn't have to be mushrooms, but mushrooms are loaded with vitamins, loaded with antioxidants, and they're good for you.
Definitely. So what about the pantry? Can we get all of these things
You
at the pantry if we
can
don't want to make it
get
ourselves?
everything from me if you do not want to make it yourself, because we understand it's not that people don't care.
It's the time.
It's the time and the convenience of it, and I try to make things very accessible to people.
So how do we get to you?
Instagram. We live, eat, breathe, and sleep on Instagram.
And
And the handle is the.plantry, and it's just THE.PLANTRY.
Okay, it doesn't get better than that, guys. All the information you need to start your plant-based healthy lifestyle. Go check her out. From the Plantry, Danielle Terrelonge, and we're going to be talking to the DJ after the break. So don't go anywhere. Watch you.